with it no more. Will I moan, burn my home, what can I do with it? Can't live all alone, no use wasting time. I just know that I'm ready for the river, the shivery river, the river that goes down to the sea. Wanna drown my trouble and leave just a bubble to indicate what used to be me. Made my will, wrote some notes, gonna keep a walking till my straw hat floats. I'm ready for the river, the shivery river, so get the river ready for me.